Hey everyone, this is Henry at Bayfield Ford. Connecting your phone to Bluetooth is a really convenient way to make hands-free phone calls and listen to your music. If you haven't already done it, today I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your phone to the Ford Sync 3 system.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the phone menu. Then go to Add Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
On the phone, in this case I'm using an iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, turn it on if it isn't already on, and it's going to start looking for the device. Once it finds it, select it.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So because they match, I'm going to hit Pair on the phone, and Yes on Sync.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So because I want to sync the contacts, I'm going to say Allow on the phone, and just hit Finish on Sync. And you're all set. If you want to disconnect this device or delete it, all you have to do is go into the Change Device menu and select the device.